This is a resume review and a redemption arc. This is the resume that got the Shell a ton of jobs. Well, not ton. They got a lot of interviews from it. It hasn't been long enough to move through the process, but this is the resume that previously where I stated, like, you know, you don't want to do your resume is a document and the keywords are important. They made those changes, and since they made those changes, which has been about a week or so, I don't upload these in the exact order, they've gotten about 2 or 3 more interviews. So it's definitely increased their interview, and then let's look at the best, like, why it's good. The redemption arc of a front end. So first off, everything black and white, very clear. Second off, there is no big summary sentence, so we can jump right around into the sabbatical, which is fine because this was essentially a sabbatical, but they still are able to say travel solo across America, organizing and led volunteer projects, which is cool, develop conversational Spanish, which means they can at least speak Spanish, and improve keyword front end skills. Boom, here, right here. These are the ones we're wanting for. So then we go back to the UX ones. Worked with designers and product managers to implement site and Figma designs and wireframes, which are going to be some of the keywords. I didn't put all of them in since it's redemption. And then we also have TypeScript, React, Joyride, Tailwind, boom. Then we have JavaScript, TypeScript, boom, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. This is what I want to see. This alone will probably get a ton of, like, I don't know if we even need to read the rest, but look, React, boom, PHP, perfect, CMS. I don't know why this is capitalized, but whatever. This is what's working. So yeah, keywords work. Make it like a government form, and that is how you're going to get more applications. So I don't want to spend too much time on this because it's working. I agree. This is what I need. They have everything I need here. My only minor nitpick is I think this could be one sentence, and you probably want to lead more with the TypeScript in Cypress rather than the other projects, but overall it's still solid because then you can at least see, you know, this is a sabbatical, so they go on to the next one. So yeah, also this probably should be within the first sentence, but I don't know if it matters a huge amount. So I think this is the redemption arc, and I'm glad that they're getting more interviews with this resume. So let's move on to the next one. This is a resume of a software engineer. What kind? What are the keywords? I don't know. We're going to have to find out. Also, please, if anybody submits their resume, don't do what this person did. They put their whole information in the contact info. Please scrub that before you submit it to me, so I cannot move this page because I made sure that nobody else saw it, and I want to make sure that it continues that way. But please, just make sure your information is scrubbed before you submit your resume. So I cannot move where this is nor click on it. So what we're going to be looking for immediately is to find out what kind of software engineer they are, to see if it's back end or front end. Typically, it's probably going to be back end or full stack, and then that's going to determine what it is. So develop and maintain full stack. There we go. Okay, if it's full stack, then it's TypeScript, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, anything with SQL. Python probably, although another language would be fine. Cloud, off the top of my head. Oh my gosh, what are the others? I do know this. I've done this so many times. Whatever. Those are going to be the primary ones. React, API, that's it. There we go. React, Node, there are those. So, let's see. Looking for the streaming platform service of the dealerships nationwide. I don't like that first sentence. You just need to say maintain a full stack web application in and then do the keywords. All right. Design, deployed, modular, scalable, microservices. Microservices is one that's good, but I'm missing these keywords. Okay, that's fine. The only reason I know that you are full stack is your first sentence, which is solid, but I need more. I see in the second one, again, I cannot move this. React JS is the only one I'm finding. MongoDB, that can be one that's good. I don't know if I can move forward. You have all your technical skills at the bottom. They are not in bullet points. They need to be in the bullet points. I cannot move forward with this. There's not enough information for me to do it. So please resubmit, and please scrub your information so I can actually click on the resume, and I do not want to dox people. So yeah, I can't move forward with this. Let's go to the next one. This is an Android developer who put their whole information and everything. So again, I cannot move this and I cannot interact with it because I do not want to put that information out there. So please scrub your information before you send it. Just the contacts. I do not need your contact information. But yeah, so this is an Android developer. What we're going to be looking for is iOS and Android. I know they're going for Android, but some companies want either. Primary language, which is going to vary, C, Java, Python, and then probably a couple of libraries for that, which is going to vary as well. Kotlin, Swift, GraphQL, REST API, and I guess Swift UI are going to be it. So let's look at what they've got. Not a fan of summary sentences, but they do have Kotlin, they do have Flutter, they do have Dart, which were one or two of them. I thought I put those in there, but I didn't. Expertise in local data storage, API integration. I mean, it's not bad. I just want them in the actual document, in the resume. Developed Android applications using MVVM. I haven't seen that anywhere in the job description. Architecture is a good word, to ensure maintainability and scalability. Implemented local data storage with Room. Those are not any of it. Integrated RESTful API using Retrofit, enabling secure and effective conversation with the backend services. That's a good one. I like that one. Utilize live data view models, components to manage UI, data lifecycle. UI can be one, but I'm missing the primary language. I'm missing Android they had. Okay, I am missing the rest of the keywords, right? In fact, if you look all the way at the bottom of here, which may get cut off, and again, I cannot move it because you doxed yourself, and I'm not going to dox you. Those are practically a lot of the keywords you want, like UIX, design, Kotlin, Dart. I need those in the bullet points, right? Like, I don't care if they're in the summary, because summaries are largely not needed. I need them in the bullet points. In that Information Technology Institute for Android Developer Trainee, I need that there. Also, was that an internship? If that's an internship, just say intern, because if it's not an internship and you've only been there for a couple of months, that's not going to look great. But if it's an internship, that's expected. So even in your projects, you don't list this. I need these keywords. You all need to put keywords in there. Also, Dart, you got a couple there that I missed, which is good. Dart, Flutter, right? But I need more. I don't think I can move forward with this. There's just nothing on here that I could give to the manager. They'd look at this and be like, cool, I needed somebody with Java or Python Java or whatever. So, yeah, just please put those keywords in. I don't know, I'm looking up there, down here, and we're going to have to go to the next resume because there's nothing here I can really move forward to the hiring manager. So, sorry. Also, please stop putting all your information. This is a resume of a digital analyst, and these are fake names, so they're not real. But what we're going to be looking for is Power BI, Power Query, SQL, Excel, data modeling, pivot tables, data visualization, which I know is kind of some of those, Python, AWS, PowerPoint, Word, Microsoft Office, and yes, I know. Also, I forgot to mention stakeholders and explaining complex topics to people that do not understand complex topics. So, this doesn't matter. You don't need this summary. Also, I don't know why you have their logos here. That's kind of weird. You don't need them. Otherwise, formatting is fine. It's kind of weird that you have those logos. You do not need them. We're not going to recognize them. It's fine. Also, I feel called out because of Leroy. My real name is Lee, and it is interesting having a name that is both a suffix and a prefix. So, enhancing the user experience for 10 million conversion, in-depth data analysis, and heat maps. I need more. I just need more for this. There's just not enough. How else did you do it? How did you use those? Also, I really do want a summary sentence for this. Optimize from 46 to 50 key page with A/B testing. I don't know what that is, and I don't really think I really care, nor will the recruiter, because they're going to be looking for those things down here. Created each project manager personalized reporting to help them make data-driven decisions. I almost like this. What I really want is, instead of just this, say something like worked with project managers cross-functionally, if you did, to create data visualization, or use data visualization to create reports which allowed them to make data-driven decisions. But right now that doesn't have anything. BigQuery, nope. I could have used Excel, but there's nothing here. Comprehensive tagging, nope. Review multiple plans for doubling, make sure we receive the correct data. Nope. Nope. I don't see anything here. I'm sorry. The only thing I see that I could really kind of use is this, and almost a thing for this. But you're going to have to redo all of this. Admittedly, I see you, you're not in the United States, but I am a US-based recruiter, so maybe this doesn't translate to wherever you are, because the resume meta is going to be a little bit different. But overall, I don't see anything in Paris. I've never been, but I need this stuff, right? I need data visualization. Maybe you could leave out Microsoft Office. But it's still nice to put it in. But yeah, I don't see anything here. I just don't. And I think that's probably why you're going to be having issues. You've only applied to like 15 jobs, which means you probably just started your search, so that's not enough of a sample size. But I just need this. I don't see any of them, right? It needs to be in the bullet points. Needs to be in the bullet points. So that is it for this video. I wanted to wish you all well. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Keep sending me your resumes with your information redacted at the top. I do not need to see that. And join me on live stream if you need more help. So yeah, that'll be it for this. Headless Headhunter out. I don't know how to end a video, but again, thank you all. I appreciate it.